Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and for today's video we are going to unbox this Steinhardt right in front of me. Well, I just realized that after 2 years of reviewing watches, I haven't actually reviewed a Steinhardt. So here it is, I finally get to unbox and review a Steinhardt. Of course, this watch here is on loan courtesy of our boutique, so thank you very much Eric and your team for loaning me all these watches for my videos. So you've got this really nice, I would say it's a nice Steinhardt packaging here. It's got that nice outer card box and nice paper wrappers and all. And here's a leatherette type of inner box here. Alright, so looks pretty good here. Alright, but I'm pretty sure these things, over time they tend to dry up and peel and all that. Let's see what we've got inside here. Alright. And ta-da! Alright, here it is. Okay, so this model, I think it is one of those ocean divers. Alright, the entire Steinhardt diver range, they call them the ocean divers, Ocean One and all that. So this one here is the Ocean Titanium. Okay, so first impressions, titanium, wow, full titanium watch, titanium case, titanium bracelet, everything titanium, and I must say this feels very light. So a quick look at the inner leatherette box here. They've even got sponge padding here and watch pillow. Overall it's a really nice packaging, more in line with the big brands out there. Okay, so with all the packaging out of the way and with the lens zoomed in slightly, here's a closer look at the Ocean Titanium. So this is also a GMT model, right? So earlier on I didn't notice they have a 24-hour hand here, and of course this one here has got a bi-colored bezel, so thereby making this one the Batman or Batgirl kind of design. Okay, so I must say it feels very good here. Let me just remove the protective film on the watch head here. And here it is. So please pardon all the funny reflections going on the crystal. So let's do a really quick bezel action check. So wow, really nice, firm and well-defined clicks here. I believe this is a 120 click bezel, and the bezel here is also made of titanium. As you can see, it's got a dull tinge to it, so the entire watch is not the bling bling look, right? Because titanium, I think if they're untreated, they look like more dull version compared to stainless steel. And let's do a hand alignment check as well. So I don't know how this thing works, so let me just do the usual way. So let's check 2 o'clock. Alright, feels good. 3 o'clock. Alright, so no alignment issues on the handset. 8 o'clock. I think everything just lines up really well, aligns very well, and also we've got female end links here. So with the lightweight and the female end link, I'm pretty sure this one here is going to wear very well, despite the case not having a lot of curves in the mid case. But I think we'll see how it goes in the full length review, because the case back here is slightly protruding, and this being a GMT movement, I think overall thickness is going to suffer quite a bit, because obviously they have to make it a bit thicker to accommodate the GMT movement. So as it is, it's pretty good looking. Alright, so I know many fans out there, they're quick to bash this brand here, Steinhardt, always making copies or homage, but usually watch company has to make the watches that sell. So it is a fact that I think Steinhardt, most of the sale come from homage watches, the Rolex homage and all that, the sub homage. So here's a quick look at the clasp. Alright, it's got this flip lock mechanism, so I would say this is a very old school type of design. Alright, and here's a very quick staged wrist shot, because obviously the watch has not been sized. Alright, and alright, true to my belief, due to the protruding case back and the lack of curve on the mid case, this one here sort of sits slightly floating on my wrist. Okay, so I need more time to, you know, evaluate the fit and all that. So as it is, I would say, you know, if you've got a smaller wrist and all that, you might have to bear in mind how this watch wears. So once again, a quick look at the Ocean One Titanium GMT before I sign off. Alright, full review to come in the next few weeks. So this is the watch Kaki from Singapore. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.